Hey everybody, Harris here with iDownload Blog. So with iOS 11.3, we saw a few new Animojis for the iPhone 10, and now with iOS 12, the developer beta, we have 4 new Animojis for the iPhone 10, and they're pretty cool if you use them. I don't use them personally a whole lot, but they certainly are fun, and now they are baked into Messages and FaceTime. Let's go ahead and check out those 4 new Animojis. Okay, so it's actually like 5 new Animojis. So when you go into the Animoji toggle in a message chat, you see that there is now the new Memoji, and this allows you to customize it exactly to you. It's like a Bitmoji. So you have the skin, you have the hairstyle, the head shape, eyes, eyebrows, nose, lips, ears, and facial hair, as well as headwear. So you can really make it personal to you, or you can make it more of just an avatar. You can make it whatever you want, but there is the Memoji, which is pretty cool, and these can work just as the Animojis do. And of course, all of these now support tongue motion. They support you sticking out your tongue if you're wanting to do that. So the new Animojis are the 4 rightmost Animojis. We have the tiger, which looks more like a cat, but it's a cute little tiger. We have the koala, we have the T-Rex, which is my favorite, and then we have the ghost, kind of like the Snapchat ghost, and they work just as you expect. They support your tongue, they support your eyebrows, and they work really well. I mean, they're fun to play with and to do, and you can just tap on them to take a picture, or you can go ahead and record a message with it and send it, and once you record, you can swipe through to change the figure. You're not set to the one that you chose. Now also, if you go into the camera in the Messages application and you click the little fancy star in the bottom corner, you can apply these over your face, and they're pretty fun. So whether you want to do your Memojis or Animojis, you can throw those over top your face in Messages, which is really cool. You can't do this from the camera application, so if you're wanting to do this, you have to do it from the Messages camera application. You find your Animoji, click the little X once it's selected, you take the picture, and you can send it, and you're good to go. Alright, but that's just a quick look at the new Animojis. There's 4 of them available for iOS 12, 4 new ones, as well as the Memojis. They're pretty cool, they're pretty fun if you're into that, and they work really well. I wish Apple would improve some other aspects of their OS and not just Animojis, but here they are in all their glory. But thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, stay subscribed for tons more content just like this, and you can check out iDownloadblog.com.